Welcome back to Toolspot, the place where mind-blowing inventions and next-level tools take center stage. Get ready, because today's lineup will leave you amazed from start to finish. Think bending a pipe to the perfect angle is tough? Not anymore. With the right tool, the process becomes smooth and exact. When you need to finish a wall but wiring seems impossible, this monster tool steps in. It doesn't just cut grooves, it tunnels through concrete like a heat-seeking shark, carving paths with precision and speed. Building a stone fence used to be time-consuming. Not anymore. This device bonds stone with concrete in seconds, no mess, no fuss. Hydraulic grip tight, saw blade biting from the inside. It's not pruning, it's a performance. Watching this machine work is like watching a chef carve up a gourmet dish, only the ingredient is solid timber. Barbecue fun ends, but cleanup doesn't have to be a nightmare. With this smart grill cleaner, scrubbing grease and stuck-on food is effortless. Cement application just got reinvented. What used to take hours of backbreaking effort now flies by in minutes. Walls go up smoother, faster, and stronger. Automated plant care once sounded like pure science fiction, but the future is now. This smart device waters, monitors, and nurtures your plants with almost zero effort from you. Quick cleanups are no longer a hassle. This tool takes what used to be tedious work and makes it fast, easy, and surprisingly satisfying. Love adventure but don't want to sacrifice comfort? A rooftop tent is your key to freedom. Camp anywhere, mountains, beaches, or deserts, and still sleep like you're at home. Cutting tiles or decorative bricks used to be a headache. But this device proves precision and simplicity can coexist. Straight lines, smooth edges, and less wasted material. One body, endless possibilities. This modular tool allows you to swap heads like changing specialists on the job. It turns unwanted branches into useful mulch, clearing forests and enriching soil all in one go. Eco-friendly, practical, and powerful. Your knees will thank you for this clever device. Long shifts on the job can leave you exhausted, but not with this on your side. Leveling plaster is no longer a chore. With the right tool in hand, it becomes almost enjoyable. Comfort meets efficiency, and the finish is always spot on. A proper clean turns this curb from dull to dazzling. The transformation speaks for itself, spotless and proud. Brickmaking is an art form, and this machine shows why. Each step precise, each brick flawless, modern alchemy in action. Nails beware, this tool rules them all. Driving them in or pulling them out, it handles both with relentless efficiency. Cleaning glass has officially gone hands-free. This robot sticks, scrubs, and leaves surfaces shining. All you do is turn it on. OSB board stands no chance. This cutter slices through in perfect lines, making every builder nearby look on in envy. Imagine carrying light in your pocket. With this inflatable lamp, you can. It unfolds in seconds, shines brightly in the darkest conditions, and packs down just as quickly. Loose wires and messy cables are a constant frustration. That is, until this wrapper steps in. With one smooth motion, it bundles everything neatly, like a magician's trick you can't help but replay. Bosch tools aren't just helpful, they're inspirational. Put one in your hands, and it's like stepping into a movie scene where everything works flawlessly. Cutting plastic pipes used to be messy. Now, with this tool, the cuts are clean, smooth, and flawless. Even simple jobs feel like art. Situations vary, but raising your fence just became a problem of the past. This tool makes it easier than you ever thought possible. Ask the pros about the best concrete cart, and this is the answer you'll hear. It mixes, pours, and keeps workers safe by taking the heavy strain off their backs. Clogged pipe? This device clears it with speed and precision, restoring flow like the blockage never existed. Need help washing? This tool combines smart design with real power, making even the most stubborn surfaces easy to clean. It's like having a pressure washer in your hand, anytime you need it. Want privacy without curtains or blinds? This special film makes windows opaque at the press of a button. Instant seclusion, total style. These sieve rakes are soil's best friend. They filter rocks from earth with ease, keeping your hands clean and your garden perfectly prepped for planting. Laser precision meets artistry with this tool. It slices glass into perfect shapes as if conjuring crystals out of thin air. Every line, every cut, a masterpiece in the making. This pallet master is pure speed and skill in action. Watch it glide, lift, and move loads with a level of precision that looks more like art than work. Never underestimate a small device. This one proves that even tiny helpers can transform your daily routine. Tired of raking leaves off your roof year after year? This powerful blower is your answer. With one sweep, the clutter is gone and your roof looks brand new. Roofing is tough, but this smart tool changes the game. It speeds up the work, reduces strain, and leaves results that look as though a master craftsman did every inch. Working with red-hot metal? That's where danger and artistry meet. Every movement must be cautious, precise, and deliberate, because one wrong step can cost more than just your workpiece. Sometimes words fall short. This equipment is that impressive. Watching it in action is the only way to truly understand what it's capable of. A massive production line, humming with precision. Each part moves in harmony, like a Swiss watch on an industrial scale. It's a marvel of engineering that never sleeps.